Hey there! Welcome back to DIY Gardening Ideas at Home. Today I'm doing a simple but satisfying vegetable harvest at home. I'm picking some fresh choy sum that I grew entirely in pots, right here in my tiny backyard garden. Harvesting choy sum is pretty straightforward, and depending on your needs, there are 3 easy ways you can do it. The first method is cutting the stems with scissors or a small knife, just a couple of centimeters above the base. This is the most common technique, and it lets the plant regrow for another harvest in a week or 2, which is perfect if you want a continuous supply from the same pot. The second method is by pulling the entire plant out, roots and all. This is great when you're ready to clear the pot for a new round of planting, or when the choy sum has reached full size and you want to harvest everything at once. It's fast and clean, and gives you a complete yield. The third method is picking the leaves, one by one, especially the older outer leaves. This approach is ideal if you only need a small amount for cooking, and you'd like the rest of the plant to keep growing for future harvests. It's low effort, and surprisingly efficient if you're into daily home cooking. I grew this choy sum completely in containers, starting directly from seeds without any seed trays or transplanting. For the soil mix, I kept it simple. Garden soil, a bit of compost for nutrients, and some rice husk to help with drainage and aeration. Nothing complicated, but it works really well for leafy greens like this. I watered the plants twice a day, once in the morning and again in the afternoon. Though on cloudy or rainy days, once a day is enough to keep the soil moist without making it soggy. As for fertilizing, I use a DIY organic liquid fertilizer made from fermented kitchen waste, which I apply once a week. It's part of my regular urban gardening routine, and it's budget-friendly and effective. From seed to harvest, it took just about 3 weeks. By day 10, the seedlings had already developed healthy leaves, and by the 3rd week, they were tall, green, and ready to be picked. Even with just one small pot, I ended up with enough homegrown vegetables for a full meal. Proof that container gardening really works, even in a small space. This is why I love urban gardening. You don't need a big backyard or fancy tools, just a pot, some basic soil, a little care, and you can grow your own vegetables right at home. Thanks so much for watching my choy sum harvest today. If you enjoyed this kind of relaxing garden video, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to DIY Gardening Ideas at Home. I've got more simple gardening ideas and harvests coming soon.